half of America's GDP runs on small businesses. In India, 65 million MSMEs do the same thing. They employ 230 million people. And for the last 3 years, every single AI tool you have heard about was built for somebody else. They were built for Fortune 500 companies, for VC-backed startups, and for developers. Not for the 25% landscaping company, or not for 10% export business in Tirupur. Not for your dad's clinic or any local enterprise. That changed on May 13. Anthropic just dropped Claude for small businesses. And the most important details isn't what it does. It is who they finally decided to build for. Hi guys, I'm Amrit and let me set up why this is a big deal. For the last decade, every tech wave, be it cloud, SaaS or mobile, small businesses got it at last. The big enterprises moved first and the small medium business tier waited 3 to 5 years for the affordable version. And by the time it trickled down, the wave had moved on. That's just how technology adoption works until now. Here's the plot twist most people missed. The Federal Reserve published data in mid-2025 showing that small businesses started adopting AI faster than the large enterprises. In early 2024, large firms used AI at 1.8 times the rate of small firms. By mid-2025, small businesses were adopting at a faster rate while large firms' adoption had plateaued. This has literally never happened before with any technology. Why? Because AI is the first technology where a $20 per month subscription gives a one-person business the same horsepower as a Fortune 500 team. There is no enterprise tier you need to wait for. The model on Claude.ai is the same model the biggest companies in the world are using. But here is the catch, and this is what Anthropic just admitted publicly. Small businesses make up 44% of US GDP and employ nearly half the private sector workforce. But their adoption of AI has lagged behind larger enterprises. Tools and training are rarely tailored to the ways small businesses operate, and as a result, their use often stops at the chat window. That's the problem. Small businesses use AI, but only as a chat box, not in their actual workflows, not in QuickBooks, not in their CRM, not on payroll day. So Anthropic built something different. Okay, so what is Claude for small businesses? And I want to be very precise here because the marketing is confusing. It is not a new app, it is not a separate subscription, it is not a watered down version of Claude. It's a package that sits on top of Claude Team or Enterprise. Let us look at the 3 major things inside it. Number 1, 15 ready to run agentic workflows. These are pre-built automations for the work that piles up after hours. Things like planning payroll, closing the month, chasing invoices, running a sales campaign, or monitoring your cash position. Number 2, 15 reusable skills. These are repeatable task templates that small business owners told Anthropic slow them down most. Number 3, connectors to 8 tools you already use. Intuit QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack. And the whole thing runs through Claude Cowork, which, if you haven't heard of, is Anthropic's desktop agent that reads your files, clicks around your apps, and actually finishes the work end to end. Not advice guys, it does the finished work. Here is an example straight from the announcement. Settle your QuickBooks cash position against incoming PayPal settlements. Build a 30-day forecast or rank what's overdue and queue the reminders for you to approve and send. Read that again guys. That's not a chatbot answering how do I forecast cash flow. That's an AI doing the cash flow forecast and pulling live data from 2 different systems. It is also deciding which invoices needs chasing and drafting reminder emails for you. That's the difference between AI as a tool and AI as a teammate. Here is where it gets interesting for India and for anyone who has been hesitant about AI in their actual businesses. Anthropic ran their own survey of small business owners, and the result, half named data security as their single biggest hesitation about AI. That's a massive trust gap. So they did 3 specific things to fix it. Number 1, nothing happens without your approval. Every email, every payment, every post requires you to click send. The AI prepares and you approve. Number 2, your existing permissions hold. If an employee can't see something in your QuickBooks today, they can't see it through Claude either. That's a huge deal if you have got 20% team. 3, no training on your data on team and enterprise plans. This is the boring, unsexy part of AI nobody on Twitter is talking about. But it is exactly what makes a 50% HVAC company in Bengaluru or a textile MSME in Surat actually willing to plug their books into an AI. And here's the thing, guys. If you have been holding off on AI because you are worried about your data, this is the answer. Not all AI is built the same way. Anthropic specifically built this with the data privacy in mind. Now here is what I find fascinating and a little frustrating. This launch is happening in the US. The 10-city tour, all US cities, basically Chicago, Dallas, Salt Lake City, and the connectors, QuickBooks, which India doesn't really use. PayPal, where Indian small businesses volume is very tiny compared to UPI. But hear me out on the actual numbers, guys. The US has 36 million small businesses and India has 63 to 65 million MSMEs, contributing nearly 30% to GDP and employing more than 230 million people, almost twice the volume. And AI could unlock over 500 billion in economic value for the sector. This is the data from World Economic Forum. The Indian MSME is the biggest underserved AI market on earth. And right now, nobody is building for them with the same intent Anthropic just brought to the US. Here is what should happen. And this is where I'm putting a stake in the ground. Within 12 months, Anthropic or somebody else is going to build the Indian version of this. Connectors to Tally instead of QuickBooks, UPI instead of PayPal, and WhatsApp Business instead of Slack, GST filing instead of US tax season. The moat in this product is not the AI. The model is just a commodity. The moat is the connectors, basically the QuickBooks plug, the HubSpot plug, the Canva plug. Whoever ships those with the Indian stack first owns this market. If you're a founder watching this, that's the gap. If you're an MSME owner, start prepping your business now. Get your books on the cloud accounting, get your customers' data in one place, and the AI is coming for you. And the businesses that are already digitized will win first. This is one of the moments where India's biggest disadvantage, basically fragmented tech stacks across 65 billion businesses, becomes a $500 billion startup opportunity for someone. Now let me conclude this, guys. Claude for small businesses isn't just another AI launch. It is the first time a major AI lab said out loud that we are not just building for Fortune 500, we are building for the dry cleaner, the HVAC contractor, and the 20% agencies. The Federal Reserve data shows small businesses are now outpacing big companies on AI adoption. The tooling is finally catching up, and whichever country, whichever founder, whichever business owner moves first wins in the next decade. So here is my question, guys. If you run a small business or work at one, what is the one task that takes up your weekends right now? Is it payroll, invoicing, campaign planning? Just tell me in the comments. Because I'm going to do a follow-up video walking you through how to actually set all these up. And I want you to build around the real pain points you're facing, not the generic use cases. Hit the subscribe button if you want India first AI breakdowns like this. Like the video if it gave you a new angle, and drop your weekend killer task in the comments. Till then, bye bye, and I'll see you in the next one.